A very good trading session is what we're seeing, 19,530 odd. And if you can, move up a little bit here, maybe that 20,000 could be again in the reckoning. We'll have to see how that goes. But Nimesh was with us for our special segment, D-Street Chatter. Nimesh, what are you picking up out of nowhere? The bulls have made a comeback and things are looking up.
It was not unexpected. Frankly, the way we saw the momentum on last Friday as well, the week on week we ended on a positive note, which was a good technical reason for the bulls to carry on. And that's exactly what I said as well, right? The momentum is with the bulls. So it's clearly playing out, market at almost a day's high. And the good part is it's backed by a lot of sectors today. So the IT is doing good, metal names are doing good. Cement stocks have bounced back very sharply. It's an all-round show, so to speak, as far as the Nifty is concerned. In terms of flows, again, it's a mixed day of trade, very selective in terms of large buying into the selective names, but broadly the broader markets is where the big action seems to be. It's largely outperforming. And on Friday, I put out a piece that the BSE Small Cap Index had hit a whole new all-time high last week. And since then, analysts are expecting another 10 to 15 upside on the index. Today is the first day. The BSE Small Cap is up 1%, Mid Cap is up another 1%. So big momentum in the broader markets, and also the fact that the PSU index is just on fire, right? Today all the real PSU stocks are buzzing on huge volumes as well. So the PSU party continues, the broader market party continues, and there is very selective buying in the large cap names. But the good part is for the Nifty today, IT, pharma, cement, all are buzzing and supporting the Nifty.
Indeed, Nimesh, screen is looking very, very good. And, what comes to mind is what our Prime Minister Narendra Modi said, right, in Parliament House. Watch those PSU stocks. They have just taken off. But individual stocks, what do you pick it up?
So in terms of individual names, the first stock on my list today is Cholamandalam Investment. That stock is marginally under pressure today, 2% down. And I believe, the street is expecting fundraising, equity fundraising very soon in Chola Investment Finance. So that's something to track in that particular stock. The second stock is LIC Housing Finance. Within the NBFC, this is in a big move in today's trade, largely on back of strong FI buying. So the delivery volumes are going to be quite high in LIC Housing Finance in today's trade. The third stock is Z Entertainment. After a long time, some bit of institutional interest seems to be back in that particular stock. The volumes today are on a higher side, and I believe some larger FI seems to be interested in buying that stock. So it's not reflective in the stock price today, but the volumes are going to be quite high in Z Entertainment as well. And the last stock is Tourism Finance. Has been buzzing in the last few days. Again, the indication is there's going to be a large block in Tourism Finance very soon. So that is something to track as far as Tourism Finance is concerned.
All right, interesting list as always. And newer companies make that list now, right, Nimesh? With so much interest and widening of tourism finance. I think the first time it's coming up on D-Street Chatter. Nimesh, thanks very much for that. So we'll track all of that. 19,530 is where we are at.